air diffuser on your wall? Sounds impossible. Not in case of LUFTOMET Jet, a designer vent which makes every wall stand out. It is available in various colors and 3 types of shapes. The single pack includes design nozzle, mounting frame, dowels, screws, and manual. Installation itself is so simple. Our jet ensures both supply and exhaust of air with low pressure drops, excellent throw lengths, and sound power levels. LUFTOMET Jet is designed for ducting dimensions of 100 or 125 millimeters. Looking for a stylish solution for your ventilation system? LUFTOMET Jet.